Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We're gonna set the parking brake. It works. With these 6 cylinders, they run like a watch. You can see fuel gauge coming up, oil pressure gauge coming up. It's cold, so temp gauge isn't up. Fan works, just hasn't been working for a very long time. Kind of coming out of it. The old Pioneer, I don't know if she works or not, so doesn't seem to power up. Horn does. There's your wiper blades. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. So all your basics work. We'll show you your lights. Take a listen to it. Dome light works. So yeah, all here. About the only thing I worry about is radio. Maybe needs a blower motor. Like I said, it runs like a watch. There's a new fuel pump, new master cylinder. Power steering, power brakes, kind of a unique combination in a 6-cylinder. There's your headlights. And your tail lights. So if you want just a good cheap driver, classic F150, give us a call, 605-695-7391.